In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add suppliers to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances for your company, keeping your supplier records organized is essential. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to store all your supplier information in one place so you can track expenses, issue payments, and manage vendor relationships seamlessly. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a sign-up link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, start by navigating to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your financial tools are conveniently accessed. From here, look over to the left-hand panel, which contains a variety of options to manage different aspects of your business. Click on the Expenses option. This will take you to the section where you can manage all expense-related tasks. Next, at the top of the Expenses page, locate the tab labeled either Suppliers or Vendors. Depending on your version of QuickBooks Online, the wording might vary slightly, but rest assured, both terms mean the same thing. Once you find the correct tab, click on it. This will open up a list of all the suppliers you've already added to your QuickBooks account. Now, to add a new supplier, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled New Supplier or New Vendor. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open a form where you can input the details of your new supplier. In the fields provided, carefully enter the supplier's information. Start by typing in their name. If your supplier is a business, you'll also want to include their business name. Then add their phone number, email address, and physical address if you have those details available. These fields help ensure that all important contact information is stored in one place. Take your time here, as accurate data entry will save you trouble later when you need to reach out or issue payments. Once all the details are entered, take a moment to review everything. Double-check for typos or missing information, especially in key areas like the email address or phone number. Accuracy is key to avoiding miscommunication or errors down the line. Finally, when you're confident that everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. QuickBooks will then store the supplier's information, and you'll see them added to your list of suppliers. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new supplier to QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.